Let's cut to the chase. You and I both know you need a product or a service to start a business, right? And if you're anything like me, you've probably scoured the internet searching for business ideas to start that give you either a product or a service. But those business startups can be quite costly. They require a huge investment, or as many might say, your life savings. Not Builderall. Builderall is the most complete and powerful digital marketing platform in the world that offers total solutions to businesses who need one. With its 40 plus digital marketing tools and super fast state-of-the-art responsive drag and drop builder, it's no wonder why thousands are now using Builderall for their business. Here's where you come in. You can start your own digital marketing agency and use Builderall to offer your clients a solution for their business. This means creating and offering business solution packages at whatever price you choose. Why? Because it's your business. So how can you help your client? You can help them with building their websites, their funnels, landing pages, blogs, email marketing, manage their social media, create promotional content, run SEO reporting, and so much more. When you upgrade to the Builderall Funnel Club, your business becomes that much more valuable. In addition to 40 plus powerful tools, you also get to offer clients over 300 plus strategic, ready to edit funnels that will instantly cut your design time in half. This means more packages to offer and more profits. Why again? Because it's your business. We are confident that Builderall's standalone platform can help businesses from all over, and that is why you can also join the Builderall affiliate program. As a Builderall Funnel Club member, you are automatically approved to promote Builderall as an affiliate. This means you can start promoting Builderall and earn commissions on its two-tier system. This includes 100% commissions earned on all direct sales and 30% recurring commissions. So let's say I recruited you to join my team. Once you've paid your first full month, I would earn 100% commissions, and every month that you remain with Builderall, I will earn 30% recurring commissions each and every month. On top of that, let's say you, who is now part of my team, started promoting Builderall, you too would earn 100% commissions on every direct sale. Every month thereafter, you would earn 30% recurring commissions, but guess what? On that second month, when you start earning 30% recurring commissions from your client, so will I. And that is how Builderall's two-tier affiliate system works. So this explains why our Builderall community works together to achieve more, because that's exactly how it works. On top of kicking off whichever business opportunity suits you best, you will have the opportunity to take full advantage of our resources, which include training guides, training videos, live training, individual Facebook group training, and so much more. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of one of the best and most affordable business opportunities available today. Lock in your price with Builderall and join the thousands who are replacing their full-time jobs with the business of their dreams.